be honest, it's not a very pleasant night for football. The rain has been coming down heavily in advance of this game. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And it's all about the cup here in Germany, the DFB Pokal, the national knockout competition. It is Bayern Munich up against Hoffenheim.
Thanks, Derek. Well, the hosts are clear favourites going into this tie. But with that comes pressure, particularly against a team that will remain compact, are well-drilled defensively, and are a threat on the counter-attack. If the hosts don't go through, though, it will be a major upset.
The line-up then for the hosts.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre-forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
Messi, having to shoot, able to get his body in the way. Look at the initial 11 for Hoffenheim.
Well, it's a back four, a narrow midfield three, and a very disconnected front three. But if the midfield players give good support to the central striker, this 4-3...
And it's through here. Good hand on that one. Luis Advíncula. Well, over the top, and an easy one for the keeper. Araujo. An exciting talent who has everything a forward needs to be successful. Stuart, what are you expecting to see from Mbappe?
Well, when he's playing well, he can unlock any defence. He can manipulate the ball, see a pass and beat defenders. He'll be key today.
Römer. Leading it through. We wondered who was going to win the race. The answer, the goalkeeper. Coman. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Alexander Pras. Good tackle. And Bayern Munich now in potentially a dangerous position, distributing it well. And he's clear as lines. Messi. And Palhinha with it. Good ball over the top. And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. Promising pass. Well, they're almost extending an invitation to have them come at them. A routine save. But superb defending. Römer. Luis Advíncula. And moving the ball forward with genuine purpose here. But really sticking to their task defensively. Referee let that one go. Play on. Ronald Araujo. Bowie. On to Messi. Given away by Bayern Munich. Luis Advíncula. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Just the challenge that was required. Messi. Read that pass all the way, cutting it out. That's a lovely ball. He's broken free. He got a good palm on it. It will be a goal kick here. Messi. It's with Kingsley Coman. Determined defending. That is that for the first half here. Well, half we have in store for us. Kylian Mbappe. And across from Mbappe. It's a perfect challenge. And it's with John. On to Messi. Oh, he'll take it on! Well, the keeper gets it out with a minimum of fuss, but it wasn't a great effort. A key game in the Bundesliga coming up live here on EA TV. It's Bayern against Union Berlin. An effective challenge. Good visualization and execution. Oh, that's a high save. Taken short, and the cross goes in. Oh, super header, but the goalkeeper was up to the task. Terrific block. Messi. On to Coman. Messi. Now with Messi, stopped a certain goal. Well, nothing to split the two sides, but this move looks promising. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Effective challenge. He has teammates around him. Coman. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. Sloppy in possession from Hoffenheim.
Bayern have completely controlled the ball in the last 15 minutes.
Just narrowly wide in the end. Time for a change then. But a lot to look forward to on the live action front here on EA TV, and we have more live Bundesliga action for you. It's Hoffenheim versus St. Pauli. Can he finish? And saved by the keeper. So making the substitution now. So the corner played into the box. No-nonsense piece of defending. Oh, great vision. Getting in there to intercept. Might go ahead. And there it is. The deadlock has been broken. We wondered if a goal would arrive. Well, now it has. And will there be a response now?
Well, here's the replay, and he's got to clear his lines there. He doesn't do that. He has his pocket picked, and he's been rightly punished. Poor defending.
match has restarted. 1-0 here. Could be threatening. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. And into the last 15 minutes of action. Well, over the top, but it will go through to the keeper. Luis Advíncula. Wömer. Geiger. Adam Kloja. On the offensive. This could be it! Oh dear, he's missed it!
Well, that would have put the game to bed. He had to score there. Will it prove costly?
Here it is now, a substitution. Lionel Messi. Clock ticking. Time against Bayern, but still they could fight back. But they took care of the situation defensively. Messi. What a hit! Now unable to bend his run. Offside. Well, not long to go here. What can Bayern pull out of the fire, Stuart?
Well, I think their forward play has been poor today. They've not had enough movement from the front players, and the midfield have been too safe with their passing. Unless that changes in these final few moments, they'll get nothing from this game.
And nicely over the top. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Palinha. They might not get too many more opportunities. Bayern have got to be positive. There's the final whistle. The travelling fans are full of the joys because they are...
Today...
Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live action. And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you live action from the Bundesliga in a matter of moments. It is Bayern Munich, and they face Union Berlin.
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
And now they get the ball rolling. Well, here is the Bayern side.
Well, the wingers will be key here. They have to choose the right time to give width and the right time to come infield to support the centre forward. If they can do that, they're a potent front three. No doubt about that.
And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. And deciding to go short with this one. Just the challenge that was required. Dani Olmo. Oh, he's lost possession. This looks more than decent. Well, there's a ruthless quality about Bayern when it comes to defending, keeping the ball out of their own net. Stuart, nobody does it better.
Well, they press the ball at the right times and then drop off at the right times too, which is key to any good defensive structure. Their tactical understanding is absolutely brilliant, which is why they've conceded so few goals.
Kevin Volland. And they keep working away, looking for an opening. Well, I think a classic commentator's curse just then. Couldn't make the ideal pass. Mbappe. Must be. Well, I think it's fair to say he got underneath that just a little bit. Benesh. Holaba. And a tidy tackle. Kane. And defensive play to be applauded. The referee knew that was foul play, but advantage it is. Skarkin. An effective challenge. And foul it is then. A live game from the Bundesliga for you to look forward to here on EA TV. It's Union Berlin, and they'll be taking on Freiburg. Harry Kane. Dani Olmo. Mbappe. Well, plenty in the way. Can he give them the lead? Oh, and he didn't miss by very much.
Yeah, he adjusted his body so well there. It's a great piece of skill, and it probably deserved the goal. Bayern have completely controlled the ball in the last 15 minutes and have played some really lovely football going forward. They must now make it count and get themselves in front.
Kevin Volland. Holaba. Looked as though there might be a threat, but not so in the end. Good defending. How can they make something happen? It's there for him. Oh, body in the way, crucially. Not the best challenge, free kick. Well, the execution there rather went awry.
Well, Derek, the less said about that, the better, I think.
Jamal Musiala. Well, they keep passing away. And saved by the keeper. And playing it back. To put them ahead. Nicely saved. Well, the short corner routine. Mbappe in the centre. And he didn't miss by a massive margin at all. Teammates available. Well, I don't think that effort remotely qualifies as respectable.
And the reason it's off target is because the technique was really poor on that occasion. That's not a good effort.
Well, goalkeeper mistake. Will there be a price to pay? Harry Kane. Takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Jeong Woo-young. Possibilities inside the box. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Was it a great clearance? Well, it came to nothing in the end. And that is that. The half-time whistle is sounded. All even at the break. Let's have a look at things from a Bayern perspective. So the two teams have switched around, and the second half is underway. Decent position. Oh, good work by the keeper. And Bayern moving the ball with purpose. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Over the touchline for what will be an Union throw-in. Mbappe. Well, the goalkeeper's life wasn't made quite as difficult as might have been the case. And a fine tackle. Well, sloppy from both sides, you have to say. Mbappe. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Read it superbly to take back possession. Benish. Kane. On to Mbappe. Rifled against the post, but back in play.
Well, Bayern could easily be leading now. They're certainly looking...
Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit to the keeper, but surely he should have scored there. That's a big, big chance.
How about the short corner? Clear deflection off the defender there.
Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
But he's gone short with it. Accurate ball went to the post. Well, still an issue here. Oh, great defending. Kevin Volland. Benish. In possession, Volland. And Bayern able to win the ball back. Can he find the right pass? Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Dangerous looking attack. And Palhinha with it. Alphonso Davies. Looking tentative. Tamez. Well, they have the ball once more. Kane. Haberer. And here's the ball. Trying to get onto the front foot with the minutes ticking away. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Jamal Musiala. Here's Mbappe. Musiala. He takes on the shot. What a block! Well, the goal has gone in the Freiburg game. Let's hear all about it from Alex Scott. Short corner here. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters.
Let's take another look, because it's a well-worked short corner that just changes the angle of the cross, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
A dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Well, unfortunately, we had to interrupt Alex just then. To confirm, Mainz did score in that game, and it's now even Steven, 1-1. Oh, could be an opportunity here. And still in with a shot, thanks to the keeper just then.
That's a really important save, but can they get back into this match? I'm not sure they can.
Got to get rid of it. Breaking at pace. Can they use their pace? This could be the equaliser. Has to come up with the ball and did. I'm sure the referee blows for full time. A satisfactory outcome for Bayern fans around the world. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Well, once again, they were so solid defensively, and of course the back line get a lot of credit, but the players in front of them work so hard to close the opposition down, it just makes the defender's job that much easier. It's another clean sheet.
Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week, and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live action. And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player, Stuart Robson. And what we have coming up for you is league phase action from the UEFA Champions League. It is Bayern Munich up against Benfica.
Well, this should be a good one, Derek. These European nights are always special under the floodlights. Let's hope we're not disappointed.
Well, here is the Bayern side.
Well, it's great to see a team playing with wingers in a 4-3-3, but they've got to be effective, both with their dribbling and their crosses. Otherwise, they'll become bit-part players.
The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. easily by the keeper. Can he finish? Easy meet for the goalkeeper. Kökçü. Aursnes. Coman! And the keeper more than equal to the task. Now how about the short corner? And the cross goes in. Oh, and heading it just over the top. Florentino. Well, he always has to be regarded as a dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, Derek, the place last time out, no real surprise that they're focusing on him. It's his movement for me, always active, always trying to find that yard of space, and I expect we'll see the same again today.
Mbappe. Not messing around with that clearance. Very timely interception. Coman. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Really committed himself to the tackle, and a throw in now. Pavlidis. Evangelos Pavlidis. Winning back possession. And moving the ball forward with genuine purpose here. Oh, he's gone for goal! Oh, narrowly wide. So unlucky. And easily cut out in the end. Oh, he's gone for goal! Superb block. Now I'm hearing that something has happened in one of the other venues. A goal there. Alex Scott with the news.
Yeah, it's a goal for Barcelona. Could the goalkeeper have done better? Yes, but let's not take nothing away from that finish. They're back level. It's 1-1 with 26 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. Evangelos Pavlidis. Well, that's wonderful attacking play. Good defending in the end, and danger averted for now. Mbappe. Effective challenge. Palhinha. Jamal Musiala. Benfica have lost it. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Can they forge ahead? No! Chance missed!
And a big chance at that, Derek. He should have put them in the driving seat there.
The right place to cut out the pass. Kökçü. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Mbappe. Perfect tackle. space really well, you've got to say. Kökçü. Well, there's a living, breathing example of positional sense. That is that for the first half here. Well, he was one. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. Messi. Good distribution. And the problem not completely solved. Mbappe. Mbappe tries his luck. Well, the goalkeeper managed to make the save without much difficulty in the end. Well, this is the home of live football, and we have more action from the Bundesliga coming up. It's Bayern versus St. Pauli. And that was a very fine read. Can he find the right pass? Palhinha. Lionel Messi. And Palhinha with it. Well, they're sitting ever deeper. Benfica regaining possession. Good use of advantage there. And he could really get at the opposition. And that's gone out of play for a Benfica throw. How about the cross? Giving them a different option by moving in field. And a very good challenge. And the counter looks on here. Options available. And in the perfect position to read it. Well, a goal update for us to know about. Let's hear more from Alex Scott.
Yes, it's another goal for Barcelona. They pulled one back with 65 minutes play.
Many thanks, Alex. Kökçü. And options in the centre. It's for the goal. Keeper did his job to begin with. A chance to nudge in front. Corner kick here. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Oh, and it goes at long last. Deadlock broken. Will that be the one that gives them the win? And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Released it nicely. Coman, he failed to hold it. The pressure was high. Harry Kane! Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long. And this match is level again.
Well, as you can see, his movement is really good, which then makes the finish look easy. That's a decent goal, that's for sure.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Keeping the opposition opposition at bay with that splendid challenge. We're getting right on top of their opponent. Can he take the chance? A corner will ensue. Favouring the short one. Cuts it back. Can they jump in front? Brilliantly blocked. Well, there's an example of how to press high up. Oh, the referee points to the spot. Penalty. Well, his name and number have been taken as well, Stuart.
And quite rightly so. It's a poor challenge. He's right to give a penalty to the referee, and he's right to give the yellow card.
And confidently converted.
Well, as you can see from the replay, the keeper tries to read the penalty, but he's sent the wrong way, and it ends up looking a very easy finish.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Bayern late in the game, battling against the clock and the scoreline. A fine reading of the situation. Jan-Niklas Beste. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. And they stopped them just when they looked menacing. Alphonso Davies. And Palhinha with it. And a struggle for Bayern to keep hold of the ball. And he's broken free. Well, the sheer audacity to chip it like that. And there's been a change to the scoreline in one of the other games. Alex has details.
Yeah, it's a goal for Barcelona. They're back in this now.
Can he get one back? Fine goalkeeping to push that away. Florentino. Evangelos Pavlidis. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Messi. And the goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to push that away from danger. And the referee blows his whistle. Bayern Munich have suffered a defeat in this game. Not exactly what they had in mind. I wonder what you thought of it all.
You're absolutely right, Derek. They really struggled to get to the...
What a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live action. And hello from the city of Hamburg. We find ourselves here at the Millerntor. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for analysis by Stuart Robson. And the focus is on the Bundesliga. Live action coming up. It's St. Pauli up against Bayern Munich.
Well, I'm excited by this encounter today. Both teams have a good game plan, both teams can be physical, and both teams have creative players. It could be a case of who wants it more.
Well, he's got past his man. The line-up then for the hosts.
Well, it's a 5-3-2, which looks a little bit defensive to me. It certainly means they won't be able to press their opponents too high up the field. And again, that might be a problem for them.
And so the starting 11 for Bayern.
Well, in this shape, unless their wing-backs play further forward, there won't be any width in their attacks, which then puts a lot of pressure on the strikers to provide the goal threat.
The corner from Kimmich. Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. Stanisic. Wasteful from Bayern. Morgan Guilavogui. This looks interesting. Could be! In it goes! An early goal. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Dani Olmo. Is it going to end up being productive for them? No-nonsense clearance. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Can they square the game? Oh, there it is! A back-and-forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Guilavogui. Manolis Saliakas. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Mbappe. Messi. That is a tackle and a half. Under real pressure here. Kane! Just hearing something pretty important has happened in the Mainz game, and with the details, here's Alex Scott.
Yes, it's a goal for Borussia Dortmund. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 20 minutes on the clock.
Many thanks, Alex. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. And Messi with teammates to play it to. Coming up in front. And in! Oh, yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, let's see this again. What a pass this is from Messi, and Kane wasn't going to miss that. He knows exactly how to find a bit of space in the box. He's a great player.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. That's a good ball. Oh, cleared away! Superb defending. Massive credit. Read it superbly to take back possession. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Illegal play, and hence a free kick. Fine run from Mbappe. Messi. Excellent defending. And they're almost inviting them to come at them. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Going short. Has time to get the shot off. Simple for the keeper. Incisive pass from Mbappe. Well, really fine goalkeeping. Good diving stop. On a corner and a chance for Bayern to make it look even better. Favouring the short one. And Kane prepared to fire. Well, hit with power, but shame about the placement. Morgan Guilavogui. And a lot to like about this attack. And he's hit it with authority! Well, it's ended up being easier for the goalkeeper in the end.
Of course, stats don't always tell the story, but on this occasion, they certainly do, because they haven't been good enough in the top third of the pitch. And I'm not sure we're going to see anything change here.
And they still don't have the ball. That has been a recurring theme. A fine block. Good effort here. Nicely blocked. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, Harry Kane certainly bringing his influence to bear on that first half. Stuart, what did you think about his performance?
Well, Derek, he took his goal well and was a...
Well, they get the ball rolling once more. It's advantage Bayern after the first 45, but a long way from being settled. Musiala. Kane. Foiling his opponent completely. Dani Olmo. Well, giving the ball away. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more live Bundesliga action for you to look forward to. It's St. Pauli facing Borussia Mönchengladbach. And news coming through from the Bochum game. Alex Scott, what can you tell us?
Yeah, it's a goal for Leverkusen. It's now 1-0 with 53 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Musiala. Here's Mbappe. Showing good defensive judgment. Bayern throw-in coming up. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. And quick thinking defensively. Guilavogui. Dani Olmo. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Can he finish? Well, no degree of difficulty for the goalkeeper. Manolis Saliakas. Well, this should be a really absorbing Bundesliga match coming up on EA TV. It's Bayern against Augsburg. Useful looking position, you've got to say. And he's through here. Well, tremendous work from the keeper to avert the danger. Messi. And I'm hearing there's been a goal in the Bochum game. Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leverkusen. They're ahead by 2 now with 65 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex. Good tackle. Kylian Mbappe. Jamal Musiala. Just the challenge that was required. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Will it be? Oh. Opportunity squandered, Stuart.
Well, what a chance that was for the equaliser. You don't get too many better than that.
A foul, but a advantage, Bayern. Dani Olmo. An astute piece of defending. A quarter of an hour remaining here. And very nicely positioned to win it back. Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. And the referee will go back now to the earlier incident. Yellow card it is. Oh, nice ball over the top. Well, on the attack, hunting for a late equaliser here. Kylian Mbappe. Went in strongly to win the ball. Jackson Irvine. Mbappe, and nicely struck. Well, I must admit it didn't trouble the keeper to the extent that I thought it might. Jackson Irvine. Possession one. Well, to really get at the opposition here. Decisive in the tackle, and the throw in here. Here it is now, a substitution. Malinha, and a long way out. It wasn't a taxing save. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. How can they find a late leveller? Well, that's a sign of a well-organised defence. And there it is, the referee's whistle. It goes into the books as a win for Bayern. What did you think of their performance?
Well, Derek, it was a tight game.
And now they get the ball rolling. Jamal Musiala. Not a great challenge. Free kick here. Distributing it well. Bayern just weren't going to be stopped last time out in the win against St. Pauli. What do you expect on this occasion, Stuart?
That away victory was a really good performance. Today I'm expecting a similar outcome because they have that little bit of extra quality. Well, here it is again, and you have to say the 1-2 completely opens up the defensive structure. Gets onto it.
The magical feeling of match day and the desire to lose yourself in the moment, that's what today is all about. A meeting of two talented sides ready to go at it in front of a capacity crowd, not to mention the eyes of the wider football world. Stay tuned for all the action.
A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. Guy Mowbray here for commentary with Sue Smith alongside me, and we've got Champions League action coming up. It's Bayern Munich and they take on Paris Saint-Germain.
Thanks, Guy. Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
So the first half kicks off. Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything. This is the home side's team today.
Yeah, it looks like a 4-3-3, and I think in midfield they'll have one deeper and the other two a little bit further forward. But they also have that option to have the two deeper lying midfielders if they do start to get overrun.
An amazing save. Here's how PSG line up.
Well, it looks like they're playing the same way, and it's about winning the 1v1 battles in this, but also making sure that they're covered defensively when they commit their players forward quickly.
PSG with acres of space to attack, and stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Marco Asensio. Nicely played through. That's a really sharp bit of goalkeeping. Lionel Messi. Harry Kane is amongst the very best at what he does. Are we going to see the very best of him here?
Yeah, what form he's been in. To score 4 goals in his last 3 games is just superb. It's going to be a big ask trying to stop him today.
Musiala. Giving it away here. Lionel Messi. Mbappe. On to Messi. Now, can he get the crossing? Behind it goes for a final push. Side against playing it in. They could still do something here. Mbappe. Quality goalkeeping to deny what looked a likely goal. Musiala. We can catch up with the details on that injury now from our man Jeff Shreves.
Real concern for the bench now, because it looks like he's landed with his elbow underneath his body, and that's causing him some serious pain at the moment.
Cheers, Jeff.
Well, Bayern have controlled possession over the last 15 minutes or so. They're dominating the tempo of the game, carved out several opportunities to take the lead. They just need to add a little bit of composure when they're through on goal.
Well, the boot could be on the other foot for a change now. It's a corner, and possibly the chance for PSG to go in front. Ball comes in. And away, they've got it clear. Kylian Mbappe. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Messi. Musiala. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And cleared well away from goal. Well, it did look promising, but threat averted. Well read to gain possession. Neither side doing a good job of holding onto the ball. Gonzalo Ramos having a try, but it's a tame try, or at least that's how the goalkeeper's made it appear. Lionel Messi. Whistle brings the first half to a close. They're still waiting for the opening goal. Mbappe. And that's where it ends, with possession lost. There's been a goal, and it's happened in Barcelona. Here's Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Barcelona. They've scored the opener with 46 minutes played.
He's there, keeping us informed all the way. He's hit that. That's how to deal with it. Nicely gathered. Bayern moving the ball forward with purpose. That's where any chance of anything developing disappears. Bayern come away with it. Kane. Looking it nicely, waiting for the chance to get themselves in front. That took a touch on the way out, throw in to come. Out of play, throw in to come. Messi, decent looking cross played in. And that one goes out and away. Musiala. Maybe that's a misconnection with the ball. It's well wide. Vitinha. PSG exploiting the space on the flank. And that's a shame for them, nothing doing. This for the lead. It's a penalty, and they could give themselves the advantage here. And the ref will take his name too.
Well, I don't think he had any choice, did he? You've got to be smarter inside the box.
And the chance has been spurned. The penalty saved. Lionel Messi. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Lionel Messi. That has stopped any potential danger. We're hearing now of developments in the City game. Alex Scott has goal news.
It's a third It was a poor period, and it was far too easy for him after that. They're ahead by 3 now, with 69 minutes played.
Nice one, Alex. Thank you. PSG recovering possession well. Kolo Muani. PSG with width here. Puts the ball into the box. Lionel Messi. Could be something building for Bayern here. Decent delivery. Needs to do better next time, much better. It's out of play. It'll be a throw now. Well, if they score from this, they'll surely win the game. And that's where it ends. Kolo Muani. On he goes, terrific. And that is such an important save.
Yeah, and it's such a crucial save at this point of the game. I thought it was going to be the winner, but he's quick to react, narrows the angle down, and what a stop that is.
Harry Kane. Lionel Messi. Working hard to win it back there. PSG pushing forward with options available. He's in here. Oh, what a time to score! A goal to surely win the game. Well, underway again. Is there to be one more twist to the tail? Gone with a short one. And it's cleared away from goal. So full time here, and not the result that the Bayern Munich fans wanted. What about the overall performance, Sue?
Well, it was a real evenly matched game.
in Germany with very different traditions, but when they lock horns on the pitch, the sparks tend to fly. Der Klassiker coming up. Stay tuned, we'll bring you all the action as Borussia Dortmund face Bayern. In recent years, it has become known simply as Der Klassiker. The two foremost clubs in Germany, Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich. And today they meet in front of the famous Gelbe Wand, the yellow wall. I'm Derek Ray, Stuart Robson is with me for commentary. Stuart, this is always a fabulous occasion to broadcast.
Well, Derek, there's no better place to be than this stadium when Bayern come to town. So this should be a great match today. Let's hope we're not disappointed.
And so the match is underway. Well, here is the lineup for the hosts today.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with two holding midfield players, a number 10 and two wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
And so the starting 11 for Bayern.
Well, they're starting with an attacking 4-5-1 formation, with three players in advance of two holding midfielders. But it's important that the wide players come in field to join the centre forward at the right time.
And just the tackle that was needed. Well, this was always going to be an intriguing contest. The number one attack against the tightest defence. How do you see it going, Stuart?
Well, Derek, I'm excited by this one. I love nothing better than seeing a great attacking team, but I also admire good defending. This should be a...
Harry Kane! There it is! The opening goal of this match, and what a start they've made!
Well, as you can see, the weight of the through ball is key to this goal. And then it's a top-class strike from Kane. His technique is absolutely spot on. Just look at the power he generates here.
And the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Palhinha. And Kimmich. Jamal Musiala. Let's see if something comes of this. An utterly disappointing cross. Goal kick. Borussia Dortmund have given it away. Oh, nice ball. Girassi. Real chance. Oh, it was a crucial chance. Palhinha. Might really be able to trouble them here. Adeyemi. Really good build-up, but no end product. flow was stopped. And job done. Ball lost by Bayern. Mbappe. Jamal Musiala. And that McCain. Short corner favoured. Got to get rid of it. Adeyemi. Could be dangerous.
Well, what a save that was from Kerbal. That has given them a lifeline here, and boy, do they need it.
Well, on the back of that breathtaking piece of goalkeeping, can they keep the ball and create? Guirassy. This could be the equaliser. And that's it. A goal for Borussia Dortmund to square things here.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Michael Olise. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Now can they counter clinically? Options in the centre. Can they open things up? Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
The referee's whistle, and so the first half has come to an end here at the Signal Iduna Park. The second half restart here at the home of Borussia Dortmund. Guirassy. Passing it around, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Bayern have given it away. A really good pass. Personnel now. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. And the referee satisfied it was a clean challenge. And intercepts again. Well, a quick reminder, Bundesliga action coming up live here on EA TV. It's Bayern versus Heidenheim. And an astute piece of defending. Must take the lead here. And they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Messi. And Kimmich. Palhinha. Messi. Messi. Well, that's how to outwit your opponent. Messi. Knocked away by the keeper.
Well, Bayern thought that was the moment they were going to edge in front. But what an excellent save it was from the keeper. He's just kept his team on level terms here.
Yes, they just have to make sure they stay defensively compact here. Intercepted effortlessly. Might be able to set up a chance. They're not giving him any breathing room. Given away by Bayern Munich. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that will put them ahead. Well, not the end result he had in mind.
Well, we know he can hit them from that sort of range, but that was a poor effort in the end.
And Dortmund will go to the bench. Palhinha. Nicely cut out. 20 minutes remaining. Mbappe. And he's broken through. Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping. Riasson. Daniel Mane. Could cross it in here. He's in with a chance.
Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
Kimmich. On to Messi. And Messi's incisive pass. And a goal to re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Well, as you can see from the replay, it's the perfect through ball from Messi, and all you can do is admire the finish by Mbappe. He hits the ball so cleanly, it's a fantastic strike.
Well, sensible refereeing, you might say. Now he goes back and hands out the yellow card, Stuart.
Yeah, that's very good. He let the play continue and then came back for the earlier challenge.
And defensive play to be applauded. Michael Olise. Well, with the final whistle fast approaching, the big question is, can Bayern see this out? They're almost there, Stuart.
Well, they've certainly controlled the tempo of the game and just about deserved their lead, but they've got to keep their concentration right to the end here.
They have to be bold, Borussia Dortmund, in these circumstances. But they took care of the situation defensively. An encouraging move from Dortmund. Well, the play just breaking down a bit here. Able to skip past his man. A chance perhaps. Goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlight. officially the end of the game. Bayern get the victory and take the 3 points from this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it was a really tight game, but they were the better side over the 90 minutes, and
Growing excitement throughout the day, and now the big kick-off is near. It's anyone's guess who'll come out on top in this colossal game, but a thrilling encounter can practically be guaranteed. We're live on EA TV. And for our live coverage, we find ourselves in Donetsk at the Donbass Arena. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And what we have on the menu for you is Champions League football, this league phase game. It is Shakhtar Donetsk up against Bayern Munich.
well, I think this should be a good game tonight, Derek. We've got some excellent players on show here. Let's just hope they perform to their best.
And now they get the ball rolling. So after that, a goal kick it'll be. Here's the initial 11 for Bayern.
Well, in this 4-5-1, as you would expect, it's a very compact back four.
Can they convert? And a goal! Not bad for starters. They take an early lead.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
Goal for Bayern
1-0 then.
Number 9, Harry Kane.
Olise. Well, that's splendid play. Kane. It did look on for them, but not to be. Bondarenko. That's a good ball. I believe there's been a goal in one of the other matches. Alex Scott has the details.
It's a goal for PSG. He shot far post, the keeper parries it, but the rebound has been put in nicely. They're the first on the score sheet here with 10 minutes played. The game has been fascinating so far, Derek.
Alex, thank you very much. What to like about that pass? Olise. Kane. Oh, really close. Just over the top. Valery Bondar. Not a pity that. It looked promising, but that's going to be claimed by the keeper. Musiala. Kylian Mbappe. Opportunity it is. Kane gives it a go. And really on the scent of his second goal of the match.
Well, he's certainly been a handful today, and that could easily have been his second. He's looked really dangerous.
Well, that's a cross he would rather like to airbrush from history. Zubkov. Well, Bayern Munich have possession again. And stopping the danger. Well, I believe a spot kick award in one of the other games. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
Yeah, it was a penalty for Brest, and the goalkeeper is going to be fuming. He only went and pulled out the Panenka. It's now 1-0 with 23 minutes played.
Thanks for the update, Alex. Well, standing off them here, are they being too passive? Messi. Well, failure to keep the ball by Bayern. Musiala. Olise. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Kane. Bondarenko. Effective challenge. Now, from what I'm hearing, there's been a goal in the Bayer Leverkusen game. Alex Scott has all the details.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leverkusen. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 38 minutes played.
Cheers, Alex. A bit sloppy in possession. Lionel Messi. Really good build-up, but no end product. Musiala. And Palhinha with it. And Kane comes into the move. Good-looking attack, this. High pressing and good high pressing. Kane. And that will end up being the keeper's ball.
1 minute of added time.
And with that, the first half draws to a close. So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Kane. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Both substitutes who've been getting ready will come on at the same time. They take it short. Aimed towards Mbappe. Well, in fairness, it wasn't the best of headers. Sudakov. And a tidy challenge. Wonderful vision from Lionel Messi. And a bit more in the way of precision was required. Well, this is the home of live football, and we have more action from the Bundesliga coming up. It's Bayern against Mainz. Oh, good vision. Oh, a chance to put them in an even better position.
Well, he's got to hit the target there. What a waste that is.
Can the owner of the blue car please return to the vehicle when on time?
Delightful pass. Oh, good defending to stop a decent-looking attack. But a really committed first-half performance by Harry Kane, Stuart.
Well, he's been the difference between the two sides, and not just because of his goal, but his general play has been really good. Maybe he could have been a bit more clinical in front of goal if I was being picky, but I wouldn't be surprised if he gets another in the second half.
Well, time for a scoring update because things are changing. Let's hear all about it from Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Real Madrid. They've scored the opener here with 59 minutes played.
Alex keeping us right up to date. Have given us away. This looks interesting. Oh, good strike. Well, the shot seemed like a good option, but goalkeeper's ball.
Well, as you can see from those stats, their attacking play just hasn't been good enough. They need to start getting the ball into the final third more often and play at a quicker tempo. Otherwise, they just won't get back into this game.
Yes, their creative struggles continue. They need more possession. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Well, trailing here, but a corner it is.
Well, these fans have had to be patient. Could this be the equaliser?
Now sending it in. And did his job defensively. Placement of the power, but it didn't work out for him. Dani Olmo. Well, the pass not finding its target. Right, just hearing that something has happened in the press game that we ought to tell you about. Let's go over to Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Brest. They're back in this now with 74 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. And a throw-in forthcoming. Alexander Zubkov. A chance to whip it in. Good piece of defending. Dani Olmo. Will he find the net? And a goal it is! But in all honesty, the keeper should have done much, much better.
Well, here it is again. And I don't think it's good enough from the goalkeeper. You have to say that. He spilled it right into the danger zone, and at this level, you're always going to be punished.
That's a lovely ball. And there's been a change to the scoreline in one of the other games. Alex has details.
It's a goal for Real Madrid. The goal... Keeper will be looking at himself on that one. He was totally out of position, and it was an easy finish. They've pulled one back with 83 minutes on the clock.
Thank you, Alex. Well, that didn't go exactly to plan. And no wonder he's getting a few icy stares from his teammates.
Yeah, that's a complete waste. He was never going to score from there.
Kylian Mbappe. Now, far from a smooth challenge. Now, will the referee produce a card? Well, a stylish moment. And his teammate got him out of trouble. Mbappe. An attack full of promise. He read the situation defensively and did his job. What about this excellent position taken up by Mbappe? And a goal to settle the issue once and for all.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb, and Mbappe just hits it with such confidence. He strikes it so cleanly. It's a great goal.
Lassina Traore. And it stopped a promising attack in its tracks, and you wouldn't be surprised if there's a card coming out here. And there goes the final whistle. Just what the doctor ordered for Bayern in terms of the scoreline. Your assessment of that.